Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountain